How to create a hilarious viral AI images for free. Easy and fun tutorial. Hey, everyone. Welcome back to IT Next channel, where we make tech fun and accessible for everyone. Today, we've got a super exciting tutorial for you. We'll be showing you how to create your own funny and viral AI generated images for free. Trust me, this is going to be a blast. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser. Up here in the search bar, type in www.bing.com. Press enter. Here click on Images. Up here click on Create. Now in this page we need to create image from words with this AI. Start to describe what you'd like to create into this space. Please, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe on our channel. After that, click on Join and Create. But remember, you have to be signed with your Microsoft account. Done. This is so amazing. It's really so amazing. Here you can see the results. Now if you want to save these images and share to your social media accounts or with your friends, just click on Download option. Do the same to other images. Now go into your download folder. You will find your images saved. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to create your own funny, viral AI generated images for free. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech fun, and let us know in the comments what other creative projects you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay creative and keep spreading the laughter.